We got a new teaser from LG on what to assume for the G8, and it seems there's a new way to interact with your phone. Another Galaxy S10 Plus was spotted in the wild, and its dual front cameras include a bunny. And that Xiaomi smartphone we saw earlier is real. We just hope we get to see it actually soon. I'm Jaime Rivera, and if you join my colleague Sam in assuming that today is Friday, bless your heart. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with a very interesting concept that was recently shown off by a company called Meizu. I haven't really covered Meizu phones in a while, and yet, okay, look at this. We've got a ceramic phone with no ports whatsoever that includes no way to change the SIM card. It actually is waiting for eSIM certification in China to launch. It's got no USB-C, it's got nothing. Wireless charging for everything. It actually looks pretty gorgeous, but let us know in the comments, do you think the world is ready for a phone with no ports? Because of course that includes no headphone jack. Now let's talk about Spotify, as the company has just rolled out a new feature where you can actually mute artists of music you don't like. And well, there are tons of taste for music. My taste is rather broad, but there are some specific ones I really do not want to appear in my feed, even if I'm Latino. So I'm actually happy for that. You can learn more in the description. Now, how about if we talk about Xiaomi? Recently, we saw the company sort of showing off a foldable product that made a lot of sense. But, well, now we have a full video with the company's head showing off the phone that folds to the back and then folds to become a full tablet. It looks like a working unit. That doesn't mean we're going to get it anytime soon, but I feel that this is probably like the smartest concept for a foldable product, where it turns into more like a tall phone and then extends to a full tablet. Let us know in the comments what you think. Now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus as it continues to be leaked. Obviously, these are just going to get more intense as we get close to the event that's happening next month. Now we see it that, well, there's a bunny design covering something. We have no clue what it's covering, but at least we're able to see that Infinity O that's larger because it houses two cameras. Sadly, we weren't able to see that LED ring that's apparently coming in that Infinity O. But yeah, just beware. There are more leaks coming. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with LG, believe it or not. This is interesting. The company has just sent out press invitations for what's happening at MWC in Barcelona. No teaser as to if this is the G8 or not. The only thing that the company is saying is goodbye to touch in the video. And the question is why? What exactly is the company bringing? Are we going to go back to the times of the Galaxy S4 where there were these gesture controls that were total gimmicks that were terrible? Or do you think the technology has evolved over time? That's actually the question today. What exactly do you think it is, and do you think it's going to be worth it? Because in my case, I'm like, well, LG, surprise me. You haven't really surprised me in a while, so why not now? Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.